Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Deborah. Make sure you subscribe. On this channel we have my travel vlogs, we talk about property investment, and we also have my property renovation vlog. So guys, make sure you check out my other videos. So today's video is going to be about how I got monetized, and today I want to share with you guys 6 tips on how I got monetized. So guys, I don't have a large following on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, so I literally grew my channel organically, like from the bottom. Like, we started from the bottom, now we're here. So even with my 1.6k subscribers, guys, I'd like to just thank you so much. I do have a giveaway coming up, so make sure you click that notification button so when it is out you will be informed. So guys, to join the YouTube partnership program where your channel is monetized and you get paid by Google, you need to obtain at least 1,000 subscribers and also have achieved 4,000 watch hours. So yes, 1,000 subscribers, I struggled with that, but the 4,000 hours, I actually achieved that in 5 months. So I got my 1,000 subscribers after like 8 months, and then yeah, watch hours was achieved before my subscribers. I guess more people want to watch me without subscribing to my channel, but guys, make sure you subscribe now. Subscribe so we can hit 10k, 100k, 1 million, you know, like we get in there. I have faith in God, and I have faith in you guys that you'll continue to watch me, you'll continue to subscribe, and yeah, we'll grow as a family. So guys, my number 1 tip is promote yourself. No one is going to promote you more than you can promote yourself. So that means across all your social media platforms, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, like you can't be discreet and shy. Like, you actually have to share your YouTube channel to everyone. You know, for those that know me, I post it everywhere: WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I post it everywhere. Every time I release a video, I always post it across all my social media platforms, send it to friends and families, and ask them to send it to their friends and family. And yeah, that's literally it, guys. Like, promote yourself. I remember there was one Sunday afternoon, I think I managed to get like 200 subscribers from literally just going through my contact list, personally messaging people on my WhatsApp, sending it in WhatsApp groups, you know, DMing people, please can you subscribe to my channel, Facebook as well. So guys, for those of you that actually subscribe, thank you so much. We are here now. But yes guys, you know, I'd rather say oh well than what if. So put aside your ego, put aside your pride, and just message people. If they respond back, then yeah. If they don't, then yeah, you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, you know that you've tried, and an extra 1 subscriber, 2 subscriber, it makes a difference. So tip number 2, guys, I'd say get your family and friends to constantly watch your videos. You know, if it's there as background noise, you know, if they're cooking, cleaning, just tell them to just play it and have it as background noise. This actually helps with your watch hours. So the more times they watch it, it helps with your, you know, your watch time. I know my mum, for instance, she'd always play my videos, she'd always play my vlogs, you know, also engagement, tell them to comment. So this actually helps with your engagement on YouTube. So that's something. Get your friends, get your family, your sisters, your brother, your cousins, your uncle, even your grandma, your grandpa, your aunties and uncle. A lot of them, like, they might not know how to work YouTube. Get them an account and just get them to just watch it in the background, you know, whilst they're doing something. But yeah, reach out to a lot of your family members and friends and get them to watch your videos. They don't have to listen to it, they can mute the videos, but at least it's just running in the background. That really helps with your watch time. So number 3, I'd say, is plan your content. Guys, have about 5 to 10 videos that you've planned already. Know what topics you want to talk about. And I actually use my iPhone, so I use the notes on my iPhone to jot down what videos I want to upload, what topics I want to talk about, and just like bullet points, certain, you know, points you want to make and address to your viewers. And that actually really helps. So what's the purpose of your video? What do you want your viewers to take from it? You know, you don't want to be digressing from a topic in a specific video and go on to something that's not relevant. So it's very key to plan your content, plan what videos you want to upload, plan what topics you want to talk about. Number 4, guys, number 4 is stay consistent. Consistency is key. Consistency is that key. Consistency is that key. Sorry. Anyway, guys, yeah, stay consistent. Consistent is so, in anything you do, you know, from like music, acting, you need to stay consistent so you can actually see the progression. So I remember I uploaded a couple videos and then, you know, I didn't upload for like 2 months and I was barely at 100 subscribers. And then ever since I started uploading at least, you know, once a week, you know, if you know, you're working, you've got busy schedules, try at least once a week. Ideally 3 times a week is good, twice a week is good, but if you can't do twice or 3 times a week or 4 times a week and you could just do once a week, that is okay. At least you're staying consistent and making sure you upload once a week. I started uploading once a week and I actually started seeing my views like rapidly grow, and I was actually surprised, and that kind of motivated me to like keep on going and continuously like upload once a week. Some weeks I had good weeks and I uploaded twice a week, but I tried my best to stay consistent. So stay consistent, guys. So number 5 is TUBEBUDDY. Guys, I use TUBEBUDDY and this literally helped me search for keywords that people use to search on YouTube, and then I add them as a tag in my videos. So before you upload your video, you have like a tag section on YouTube, and we literally just add in those keywords, and that literally helps your video. So when people go on YouTube and they search videos with keywords that you've added to your video, then it helps increase the likelihood of your video popping up. So search optimization, guys, that really helps. So TUBEBUDDY, check it out. There's a free version and there's a paid version. I use the free version. You know, if you're still a small YouTuber growing, you could just use the free version for now. So yeah, that's that. So last but not least, guys, is number 6, and that is thumbnail. Guys, try and use like vibrant, eye-catching, high-quality thumbnails. So I try and make sure that my thumbnails are very colorful, stand out, you know, catches the viewer's attention, so they're more likely to click on it. And when they click on it, then that's a view, and if they like their content, then that's the potential subscriber as well, guys. So make sure you use good thumbnails. So guys, I use a software called Adobe Spark, and it's a free tool, and that's what I use to sort of put my thumbnails together. So that is it. So those are my top 6 tips. I really hope you found this video helpful. Good luck if you're a small subscriber, or if you're willing to start YouTube. These are tips that will definitely help you grow your channel. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure you stay tuned. I have plenty more coming 2020. But yes, guys, anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.